Yo, what's up guys? Alright, so we back up here at the junkyard. I made a post on the community tab here on YouTube asking if y'all wanted to see a junkyard video of me looking through the cars looking for cool stuff, or just showing random cars. Looking for cool stuff, one, so we're gonna do a little bit of both. I think there's only like 2 people that voted anyway, but here's the thing. So I found a turn signal, or I think this is a headlight for OBS. It's got the clear lens on it. It's all scratched up like right here, but I mean, if I can get this for cheap, I'll probably get it. But we have a steering wheel here and it's got the wood grain on it. It is tore up, but they're only $22. So I do have my tools, they're out in the car, so I was thinking about pulling off the steering wheel and buying it. Now the airbag is 50 bucks and the steering wheel is only $22. So I would get it, but I don't want to buy a steering wheel without an airbag and then end up taking the chance of never getting one. So yeah, but I do need to get the wood grain piece that comes up here like this for the driver's side, and this is gone. So it seems like somebody took my idea by taking off all the stuff from the Cadillac Escalade and just putting it on theirs like how I did, because everything's gone that I need. So I have the center console out of the other Escalade that's here. They're both the same color, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, this steering wheel is in a lot better condition. But we're gonna hold on to this in case we find another one. I did actually take the emblem off of this car right here because it's carbon fiber. It's a little faded, it needs to be wet sanded and polished. But yeah, I want to see how much that is. But yeah, let's go look for some cool stuff. Got a Range Rover here, slightly modified. Look at this thing. It's got a freaking windshield wiper blades on the freaking headlights. Oh, something fell. What is that? This ain't bad. A lot of people will tell you that these Range Rovers are junk. They say that they're in the damn shop more than they are on the road, but who knows how true that is. But it looks like it's got some new wires in it, spark plug wires. There's the old Chevy Silverado down here. I'm gonna check it out. There's not really many in here, so yeah. Oh, this is a Suburban, so hell yeah. Looks like somebody already snagged the damn turn signal. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and assume that that is a headlight, and I'm probably not gonna find the other one, so I'm just gonna leave it there. Oh man, I gotta use the bathroom so damn bad. So we found another Suburban here. Doesn't have any of the turn signals. Bro, are you kidding me, dude? I found the freaking other headlight. There's no freaking way. I literally just found the other headlight. That is crazy. The other one's clear over there. Damn, this one's got like a... That's a newer-ish looking headlight. But, damn, dude, we definitely gonna have to take this off right here, bro. For real. Damn. Dude, that's crazy, bro. Okay, this doesn't make any sense. This is glass. When the hell did they make glass headlights for these trucks? Bro, I'm gonna have to cop this. The other one's plastic, this one's glass. I never knew that they made... Dude, that's probably very expensive, dude. Why could they like only afford one or what? Like, I'm not trying to joke around or nothing. I'm just saying, like, dude, that's crazy. Now we gotta go find the other one. I was not expecting to find a clean and clear and under control cover squirrel freaking headlight. That's crazy. What is this? Life, how did it get here? God. God gave us life. That's how we got here. Anyway, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and grab the other headlight. Hopefully, see, this came off the left side. Hopefully there's not 2 left ones, because that would suck. But yeah, we're gonna grab it. Okay, so this is the left side one, and it's angled left. This one is the right side one. Okay, so this is plastic, and This is glass. But as you guys can tell, they're both clear. So think about getting these. I want to see how much they are. If they're not too expensive, I'll get them. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna get these and probably just gonna leave because I gotta use the bathroom. They probably ain't got no bathroom here. So anyway, figured I'd come here and film a little video for you guys, show you guys what's up. And yeah, so got some headlights. Hopefully they're not too expensive. And see you guys back at the truck. Alright, you guys, so we back up here at the house, get ready to put the headlights in. I just want to talk about something real quick. If y'all don't know who Gordo Loco is, he's like a really cool guy. He's a comedian, he's funny as hell, and he does comedy skits, he does music now, and now he's flipping houses and stuff like that. So I have been rocking with this dude for such a freaking long time, dude. Like way back when this dude didn't even have like 100,000 followers. Like I'm talking about like long time ago, dude, long time ago. I used to get on his live streams and talk to him about Danny Duncan and Ross Creations. He said he didn't know who either of those were. I asked him about that kid behind the camera because he lives in Somerville, South Carolina. He didn't know him. I'm like, bro, you a funny dude, you a comedian, but you don't know who the hell this dude is. Like he knows who Ryan Upchurch is and Jelly Roll and all that. So he was on a live stream on TikTok. He has like 9 accounts, he said. One of them's got 12,000 followers. And I was commenting on it, asking him questions and stuff. I was like, yo, you still live in South Carolina? And he's like, yeah, I still live here. I was like, I asked him another question, like, you still run the trailer park? Just, you know what I'm saying, trying to conversate with him because there's only like 12 people in there. Damn, dude, I need to get a new freaking belt. Anyway, so we just was talking, and I couldn't go on the live stream with him because I'm banned until the 13th. But I was just asking him questions in the comments. I was like, yo, you should hop on a track with Ryan Upchurch and Jelly Roll. He's like, I know who Jelly Roll is. And I was like, yeah, that'd be a dope song. And then he's like, what do I need to get a hold of Ryan Upchurch for? I was like, get on a song with him, that'd be dope. Then this dude goes on to say, man, why the hell does everybody always say that I need to get on a track with this person, that person, all this and that? Like, I'm out here trying to do my own thing. Bro, like, I was just saying it's just to conversate, bro. Like, you ain't gotta get all freaking ballistic. I don't know what the hell's up with these people. When they get famous, they get a little bit of clout, they get cocky. Like, bro, for real? You really gonna get cocky with your fans? Like, that's just trashed. Anyway, it is what it is. No disrespect to the dude. He was not trying to be disrespectful, but at the same time, like, damn, dude. Like, I get it. People probably say that to him a lot, but I'm just saying, like, hey, like, I know you trying to make it big doing your own thing, but like, dude, like, I've been watching you for years, bro, and you still the same amount, bro. Like, you ain't really going anywhere. Like, nobody really knows who the hell you are. So I'm just saying, bro, like, if you trying to blow up, bro, you got to extend your horizon, all that stuff. It is what it is. But anyway, enough with all that. We back here at the car, at the truck. We gonna put the glass and the plastic headlights in. That's crazy how I found 2 of them that are clear as hell like that, and they're for driver and passenger side. And I never knew that they had glass. That's just crazy as hell. But anyway, we're gonna swap these out and get this out of here. So I gotta take the grill off again, and yeah, so let me do that real quick. Boom, just like that, guys, we are done. So I literally had to take all this plastic crap off of the ones that I had in here and swap everything over. I took this globe off. I didn't even put those, yeah, I put those clips back in. Took the globe off, cleaned the inside and the glass with the microfiber. I was trying to clean this one as well. This one's broke. The tabs for these right here, all of them broke. It's a completely different one than the stock one, and that one, it's just a mess. But this is the original one that I had on here. It broke, but hey, we got some nice headlights, bro. Dude, I'm telling you, this thing is looking freaking good. Wow. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. If you guys did like it, be sure to leave a big old fat thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
If you're not ashamed of the gospel of Jesus Christ, I want you to share this video. Jesus said, go preach the gospel to all creation. Souls are going to go to hell if we don't spread the gospel. You sharing this video can literally get the gospel to somebody and save their soul from eternal damnation. The Bible says that if you believe in your heart and confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord, you will be saved. So right now I offer to you the free gift of salvation. Believe in your heart and pray this prayer out loud right now with me if you want salvation. Say, dear Lord Jesus, please forgive me for my sins. I believe that you died for me on the cross and rose from the dead 3 days later. If you prayed that prayer, comment saved. Use this sound. Make your own video. Make the gospel go viral.